Hi friends, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. I am Shushmita. Today I want to present a PPT on role of youth in politics. Before going to discuss about the role of youth in politics, we have to know the meaning of politics. Politics. What is politics? Politics is the practice and theory of influencing the others. And politics involves in the making of common decision throughout the group, and it involves uniform decision applied for each and every member in the group, and it involves use of power by one person to affect the another person. That means behavior of the another person. If the person is badly behaving, the person who achieve the power can control the badly behaved person. That is the politics. And next one is we have to know the meaning of youth. In human life, every person has the three stages of age. That is child age, young age, and old age. The age between the persons including the young age are called youth. But in my point of view, the persons having the boy blood and the short mind and they have iron and are the actual youth. Now coming to the Indian politics. As we all know that Indian politics is in a democratic form that is it includes all the people. We know that in our country, majority of the population in our nation is the youth generation. Friends, can you please tell me which age group people can have very much energy?
20 to 30.
Okay. Which people have much enthusiasm?
16 to 20. 18 to 25.
Which people have the much morality?
50 to 5 years, 40 to 50.
Which people have much diligence?
60 to 80.
Yes. Friends, if we keenly observe that these four factors, youth having these four factors, then I strongly stress that the role of youth in politics is must, because the youth have energy, enthusiasm, and morality and diligence. Here the diligence is the concentration. And I ask you one more question. Today I must say this because I really dislike the currently ruling party TDP because I think it is not so good at politics and it is not suitable for the Indian politics. How many of you will agree with me? Even I dislike the YSR party also. This is the main problem lying with the youth because we are sitting in the chairs and standing in the floor and say that that party is not good, this person is not good, this person is not suitable for that party. But we never come forward to participate in the politics, and if we are in the same place, we can never do anything for the developing of nation. And I strongly believe that one of the major reasons in our country is lack of confidence to participate in the politics. And if we are hello. Role of youth in national building. If the youth participate in the politics, then the nation definitely develop. So let's participate in Indian politics. Thank you.
At least Shushmita, if you turn this way.
Any queries?
Pass the microphone, please.
You are saying more about politics. In future, are you becoming a politician?
No, that's not. Throughout the politician, we cannot. Can I say in Telugu? Politics వల్లనే ఇండియాని బిల్డప్ చేయాలని లేదు. పాలిటిక్స్ అంటే ఏదో ఎమ్మెల్యే అయిపోయి మినిస్టర్ అయిపోవాలనే కాదు కదా. మన సర్వీస్ చేసిన లీడర్షిప్ ఉండడం వల్ల కూడా అది కూడా పాలిటిక్స్. leadership kada. Leadership
చేస్తావా
Nina.
in future?
If I have chance, I can.
Wonderful.
You said that TDP is not suitable for today's Indian politics. Can you tell the reason?
I'm saying that not TDP, not biased, sir.
Total.
The total youth feeling that this party is not correct, that party is not correct, but they never try to come forward. They gossip, but they never try to